Okay, so one thing here is a Rubik's cube. You mix it. There is one of my student who can solve this very easily. So let's see. And the student is right here. Let's see. Mix it up. With any way. You just mix it up. Yes. Okay, done. So here is all mixed up. So this is the real Rubik's cube, and then I'm going to give this to the student who can solve this. Maybe let's see how fast he can solve this. So his name is Zahir. Okay. I think it's little bit dark. Come here. Come over here. So here is the person. So he's going to solve this. Okay. Take your time. It's almost done. It's almost done. It's almost done. Almost done, almost done. I have not checked the time. Actually, I should have kept the timer, but this is also almost done, almost done. It's okay, you are fast enough. No problem, no problem. There is some this thing. Kara loose kano tawba leiba male. Okay, no problem. Next time. Next time. After fixing this, I'll show it again. Okay.